Hello students, welcome you all to the video lecture on chapter number 1, real numbers. Example 1. Consider the numbers 4 power n, where n is a natural number. Check whether there is any value of n for which 4 power n ends with the digit 0. So they have given that first of all n is a natural number. So natural number means 1, 2, 3 and so on. It is nothing but the natural number. So we have to check whether any value of n for which 4 power n ends with the digit 0. So first of all we can say that a number ends with the digit 0 if and only if it is divisible by 10. If and only if it is divisible by 10. So example for that is 10, 20, 30, 40 and so on, right. So these are all the numbers which is actually divisible by 10, and also these numbers ends with the digit 0. So in simple I can say that any number ends with the 0 means it is always divisible by 10. So if it is divisible by 10, 10 I can write it as what in the prime factors, that is 2 into 5. So 2 is also a prime factor, 5 is also a prime factor. So 10 I can write it as 2 into 5. So similarly 20 also if I take, I can write it as what? So 2 into 5 it is nothing but 10, again into 2 it is nothing but 20. Okay. So any number which is divisible by 10 is having the prime factors 2 into 5 compulsorily. So I can simply say that any number which is divisible by 10 should have the prime factors 2 as well as 5. So coming to the question, they have given that it is 4 power n. 4 power n I can write it as 2 into 2 the whole power n. Again this I can write it as 2 power 2 the whole power n. So when you observe this, I have only the prime factor 2, I do not have the prime factor 5. So 4 power n is power of 2 only. Power of 2 only, and it does not have factor 5, and it does not have factor 5. So I can say that 4 power n cannot end with 0 for any natural number n. Why? Because I have only 2 here. I have only 2 here as a prime factor. I do not have any value as 5. So I can say that 4 power n cannot end with 0. Cannot end with 0 for any natural number n. For any natural number n. Thank you. Thanks for watching.